Hi, my name is Paige Newman. I'm Associate Archivist for Collections Processing at the Virginia Museum of History and Culture.
And my name's Josh Stamps. I'm the founding brewmaster here at Isley Brewing Company.
So have you worked with an historic recipe before?
Not specifically. We try to do kind of a mix of, I use the term whimsical, beers and some very traditional kind of beer styles. So for example, we've got a Czechoslovakian Pilsner on right now that is as close to what they were brewing in Czechoslovakia, 100 years ago as we could possibly get. And then we've got our peanut butter porter, which is kind of out of left field. So yeah, I try to kind of blend beer history with some new creative ideas and do a little bit of everything.
So what is your favorite part of being a Virginia brewery?
Richmond especially has always been very fond of local craftsmanship. So it's a really fun to be a part of the community here, to know that we started here and there's so many businesses and breweries that we kind of try to not necessarily model ourselves after, but take inspiration from, and then to see some of the newer breweries that are opening, them taking inspiration from some of the breweries that have been here a little longer, and kind of watching that whole scene grow into what it's become now, and being able to reproduce some historic styles, and then, knock on wood, hopefully come up with some styles that will be reproduced 100 years later would be great. So, being able to kind of be a part of one little part or one little section of such a storied history of a product is really